And my top three predictions for the year 2025. Well, there's three key things we expect to happen. Number one is network infrastructure as a service for AI, specifically for enterprise and sovereign AI. We're seeing a growing demand in the market for domain-specific models and for sovereign or locally hosted AI. And I think this is creating an opportunity for network providers, whether they be telecom or data centers, to offer multi-tenanted, scalable, and secure network and hosting solutions. For the telcos, we expect them to focus on monetizing their investments in 5G, in fiber, and in edge compute. And in the data centers, we anticipate their focus is going to be on enhancing the AI workload infrastructure, specifically the networking with the use of Ethernet, but also prioritizing energy efficiency technologies. My second prediction for 2025 is around operational resilience being everywhere. I think we all saw in 2024 a growing number of outages in our networks across all types of mission critical industries, whether they were telecoms, whether the banking sector. We saw the huge impact of the CrowdStrike effects. I think industry, we're starting to see now focus on shifting beyond protect and detect to respond and recover. And with new regulations coming in, such as NIS2, DORA in the financial sector, and obviously with the heightened risks of quantum and ransomware that are driving continuous resilience and security assessments, we predict that in 2025, you're going to see more focus on automation, the implementation of advanced security systems, and continuous testing being prioritized to deliver not only secure networks, but resilience and the ability to respond and recover. And of course, my final prediction, I've got to pick 5G. I know there's a number of doom mongers in the last few years about 5G, but we're really coming to the second half of 5G. It's at the midway point between now and 6G, and we think there's all to play for in the second half. From the testing that we've been doing throughout the year, we're seeing a couple of dimensions where 5G we expect to be prioritized in 2025. Firstly, it's around 5G standalone, where we do anticipate a growing number of launches across the globe due to the technical maturity of the core and the cloud solutions that have been tested in the last 12 months. And also from those early adopters who have shown good return of investment, that better clarity is going to drive more adoption. I think we're also going to see a wave of 5G advanced upgrades as well. We already saw early adopters moving forward in 2024, and we expect Asia Pacific and Middle East and maybe a few operators even in North America to implement 5G advanced during 2025, targeting industry verticals and also to enable the support of artificial intelligence. As for the industry verticals, well, 5G RedCap, we do anticipate a significant adoption in 2025. This is because we're seeing the coming together of low-cost device availability and network support. So look out for lots of 5G RedCap devices coming to the market in 2025. And of course, 5G fixed wireless access, the star player to date for 5G. There are many saying it's going to reach its natural cap, but we anticipate this further growth in 25 as more and more operators look to extend market share, specifically towards suburban markets. But also we expect to see more and more focus towards the enterprise who'll be using 5G fixed wireless access to meet many of their resilience requirements. So these are my top three predictions for 2025.